Hey there, welcome back to our channel. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest videos. Today, we're going to be talking about the 1PC Black Car Trash Can Pack Bag. This waterproof car trash bag is a game changer. It's little but mighty, with a leak-proof design that's perfect for keeping your car clean and tidy. The side pocket is an added bonus for easy access to your essentials while on the road. The soft and smooth material, a combination of ABS and nanofibers, is not only durable but also easy to clean. At just 1 inch in diameter and 50 grams in weight, this trash can is easily portable and won't take up too much space in your car. But that's not all. We also have the car interior cleaning brush, perfect for reaching those pesky crevices and corners in your car. The corrugated nylon wool bristles and plastic cement handle make it a powerful tool for getting rid of dust and dirt. And how about the car phone holder for Tesla Model 3? This phone holder is a must-have for hands-free navigation and calls while driving. The 360 rotation feature allows you to adjust the viewing angle for a clear screen view. It fits devices from 4.0 to 6.7 inches, making it compatible with most smartphones. But wait, there's more. The double-sided coral fleece clean glove is perfect for water absorption and soft care during car cleaning. Its plush chenille microfiber material makes it super comfortable and good to handle. And it's reusable and easy to wash and dry, making it an eco-friendly option. These products come from reputable brands and are made with quality materials, making them durable and long-lasting. Plus, they all come from mainland China, ensuring you're getting the best of the best. So, if you want to keep your car in tip-top shape and make your driving experience more convenient, head to the link in the description to get your hands on these amazing products. Trust me, you won't regret it, and as always, don't forget to leave us a 5-star review if you're satisfied with the product. Your feedback is incredibly important to us. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.